Hello friends, how are you? In today's session, we will see how to use list, how to iterate over the list, how to print a list inside our HTML. For example, I have an array of student, I have an array of other records. Then how to use these records of list, inside our React.js function component. So let's me go to the VS Code editor that we have a project with the name practice React app, and we are using this project in the series of these videos. Okay, now let's me remove the previous video code. Control S. Let me show you the result. Here we have the basic content. Now I will declare here a an array. Okay, an array of objects. So let's me show you here like in this way. Yes, students records. Okay, and here in the array I will define two or three objects. Okay, student id is student id is equal to one, name is equal to Noor, and let's me add one another student. Okay, one another student. I will total declare four students. Its id will be 2, its id let's suppose 3, and let's suppose its id 4. In the real world scenarios, you know that we are getting this kind of data from our database using the APIs in the ArcGIS applications. But let's suppose you have get the student records from your database, and then you want to show the student record inside your page. So I am just creating a dummy student record, and then I will show you how to show in a list, in a table or in other ULLI. Okay. Now let me change the name to John. The name should be Alina, and the name should be Rahul. Okay. Now I will use I will iterate over the student record inside my HTML, and I will print in a table. Okay, so let's me declare a table, uh, table header, and inside the table header, let's me give three columns: heading, ph, uh, student ID, one another ph, mm, name. Okay, and here I will define the table body, t body. Okay, and inside the table body, I will define a row. Okay, for my document. Now here let's me iterate over the array. So to iterate over the array of objects, you have to use like in this way. It is the syntax basically in React.js. So my items is student records, and you have to use the map, okay, for iterating. It is like for each loop, okay. You can keep any value of these parameter, and it will be the index of the array. Now here I will print a row. Let me copy this one, Control X, and paste here. And inside the table row, I will define two cell of the table. T1 will be the I will show here the ID, student ID, and in the second table cell, I will show here the name. Okay. So basically, I am iterating over the student record. We are using map to use the loop or any list in the React.js. and then we have to I can keep any I mean name of these param. Let me just type here itm. Okay, so no issue. I can also keep this one, and it is the index. So it is a good way to give a key, and then you have to give the index. Now let me save and show you the result. Here you can see that our list is successfully displayed inside our HTML document. So it is basically a way to handle a list inside the React.js function components. It is the end of this video. We'll come with another topic of the React.js in the next video. Thank you for watching the video.